Hey y'all, it's Cooking with Lovie. Today we're making sausage balls with Bisquick and cream cheese, cheddar cheese, and a pound of sausage. Making sausage balls today using 2 cups of Bisquick, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, and a pound of sausage. And the mixture, you'll see it a little later on. If it gets too stiff, you can put a little water, a little buttermilk or milk to make it more pliable to roll out the sausage balls. Let's get busy. Preheat the oven to 350. Parchment line your cookie sheets, and then we'll put the balls on that and bake. Gotta bring this to room temperature. Gotta bring this to room temperature in the oven, because I forgot. Give it a few minutes, and then while I'm doing that, we'll measure out our Bisquick. Always Bisquick. Frosted milk, stop me. Countertop's clean, so that'll go in there. I need to get some cheese. Okay. Let's see if that's soft now. Gonna be hot. Is it soft? Yes, it is. Okay, now we'll put in the sausage. Which I fried. Some people do it uncooked, but I like it best this way. That way, get the grease out of it. Mix that up. Okay. Cup of cheese. We like a lot of cheese, so I'm going to put about 2 cups. Or 3. Or 3. Mix that up. Now we'll put this in. This is where I got to go in with my hands. It's stiff. more if we need it. Add a little milk. Get all that milk that's stuck to the inside of that buttermilk. Waste not, want not. A lot of it sticks to the side. Okay, now maybe it's getting a little more manageable. Yes. Now that it's mixed, I will put a lot of, start making the balls. We'll resume in a minute. I got it a little too wet, so I added more biscuit mix. And this is about the consistency you want, so you can roll it out into balls. So we're gonna roll some balls, cook some in a minute. Pick them out and roll them out to about an inch size. I notice as I get towards the end of rolling out these balls, they get bigger and bigger. Big tablespoon. Now we're going to make gravy, sausage gravy, for dipping the sausage balls in. We don't use mustard. Not that. We use gravy on football Saturdays. And a little salt. Okay, I put the sausage grease in there. That's our sausage grease. And get it up on high, get it started. Get it hot. And then add the flour. Now you got to burn that flour, and when you do, you got to use more flour because I think it loses its thickening, its rise in the building or whatever. So anyway, we're going to burn this flour. We're going to let that hang out and do its thing, and then we'll be back. The flour's cooking, it's browning good. I've got my milk ready. You can add cream, whole milk. I use 2% milk, and I use half milk, half water. It's gravy. We're saving calories, right? First batch out of the oven. First batch out of the oven. Got them a little close right there, and right there. And it should have been in the fridge before putting it in the oven. Now, okay, now you see how you burn this, burn it. Just burn it. Till we think, oh no, I've got it burnt too much. That's what makes that nice brown gravy. Nice brown gravy. Okay. And then you're gonna have to put that in and start stirring. Get me a little water here, about half full. And go at it with a whisk. Get the lumps out. Heat up.
Just that now
Let's got them dogs out for him. Go. Beat these eggs. 2 eggs with a splash of, just a splash of water, maybe a little teaspoonful. Makes them fluffy. You want creamy eggs, add milk or cream. Okay, pour it in that pan when it's hot.
If you want strong eggs, use whiskey.
Get that all out of there. Scrape it out. Once it starts, you can see it start cooking on the sides. It'll get a little white, but you gotta keep them eggs moving. You wanna heat a bowl, put these eggs in, and start moving them. Start moving, low and slow. I got it up started, so now I'm gonna turn the heat down. Slow and slow. Keep them moving. Keep them moving. Let me set a minute since I've turned the heat down. I sprayed the pan with a little nonstick first, and just a little butter. Doesn't take a whole lot. And then when they look like they're about done, cut the heat off. Keep them moving because the pan's still hot.
Watch me drop my phone into this.
Oh, Okay, now we set them aside. And now we have some eggs. Let me get the hot bowl. Okay, breakfast is ready. Now, if you wanted cheesy eggs, you could put some cheese right on top and then just cover it, paper towel, or set a plate on top of it. So anyway, here we go. We got our gravy. Thickens up even more as it sits. And we have sausage balls. And it's cook-off. It's kickoff, football Saturday. It's cook-off time. I mean, kickoff time, Biden. Let's see how that tastes. Just a little bit. It's hot. Voila. Hey, thanks for watching, y'all. Thanks for watching Cooking with Love. This is our first video. We've made sausage balls. What do you want next? Bye, y'all.